Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your following or follower list on Instagram. So here, I've already on the Instagram apps. If you want to hide that followers list and following, you can go to your profile first and click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and then here you can see there will be this section who can see your content, and there will be this account privacy. So if your account is public, you need to change it by clicking on it and change it into private. So when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or video on hashtag, and it will also include your followers and following list. So just make it private like this, switch to private, and now your followers and following list will be hidden. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.